Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best slide-out pantry is probably one of the most ingenious kitchen innovations, transforming cluttered cabinets into organized havens. These systems are designed to maximize space, making it easy to access ingredients and essentials. With a slide-out pantry, you're not just organizing, you're upgrading your kitchen's functionality and aesthetic appeal, making cooking and meal prep a breeze. Number 5. LYNK Professional Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Are you tired of cluttered cabinets? This organizer is designed to make your life easier. It brings professional quality to your home. This product features slide-out drawers, perfect for kitchen cabinets. It allows you to have everything at your fingertips, just like a professional cook. The unique ProGlide system uses commercial glides and reinforced crossbars. This design eliminates sagging and bending, ensuring it can support heavy weights. The heavy-duty ball-bearing glide system guarantees smooth sliding. It's built to last and engineered to industrial standards. Setup is a breeze with the easy mount design. The clever alignment guide does all the work, and it installs in minutes. This product is backed by a lifetime limited warranty. The polished metal wire and anti-rust chrome finish ensure unparalleled durability. What we like? This LYNK professional organizer offers professional-grade quality for your home. It features heavy-duty glides for smooth operation even with heavy loads. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-install solution that maximizes space and provides easy access, you should consider this. What people say. This is an extremely easy-to-use, high-quality, high-strength product. It was easy to install and slides in and out smoothly and quietly. It helps when removing items from the cabinet lower level. Number 4. Lavish Home 5-Tier Rolling Storage Cart, White. This rolling cart is designed to fit into tight spaces, such as between appliances and cabinets. It helps you optimize areas in your home. This is a great solution for maximizing your space. The PVC wheels allow the cart to roll easily. You can move it between rooms with ease. This 5-tier organizer offers convenient mobility. It assembles quickly with a snap-together design. The white plastic material is easy to clean with soap and water. The vented shelves also allow for quick drying. Use this cart to solve storage problems throughout your home. It works great as garage shelving, a kitchen storage unit, or a bathroom organizer. It is a very versatile product. It's made of plastic with PVC wheels. The dimensions are L, 21.5x, W, 5x, H, 52 inches. Individual shelves are W, 5x, H, 3.5 inches. Assembly is required. It comes in white. What we like? This slim rolling storage cart is designed to fit into narrow spaces, making the most of your available area. Its mobile design allows you to move it easily between rooms. If you have limited space and need a versatile storage solution that's easy to assemble and move around, this is a great choice. What people say. I was pleasantly surprised that after putting it together, which was very easy by just clicking modular pieces together, found the unit to be fairly strong. The casters on the bottom support the weight of having all 5 shelves filled and still rolled easily in and out of the space it lives in now. This is the slimmest of the similar beside the fridge rolling shelf units I've found. At 4.75 it just barely fit beside our fridge, but it does fit, where none of the others would. Number 3. 2-tier clear organizer with dividers. This 2-tier organizer is designed to help you make the most of your space. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and anywhere else you need extra storage. The clear design allows you to easily see what's inside. Made with food-grade, BPA-free materials, this organizer is built to last. The thick transparent plastic and stainless steel construction ensures stability and safety. You can use it with confidence knowing it's safe for your items. Featuring a pull-out sliding design with handles, this organizer makes it easy to grab what you need. It also includes removable dividers, so you can customize the space to fit your specific needs. This makes it incredibly convenient. Use it in your bathroom, under the sink, or even in your office. This organizer is perfect for storing makeup, cleaning supplies, or anything else you need to keep tidy. It's a versatile solution for any room. From the refrigerator to the medicine cabinet, this organizer can be used in various places. It's great for pantry organization, office supplies, or even baby items. It's a multi-use product that simplifies your life. What we like. This 2-tier organizer offers a double-layer design with removable dividers for customizable storage. It's perfect for organizing various items in your kitchen, bathroom, or even your office. If you like to keep things organized and need a versatile storage solution, it is a great option. What people say. These have made a big difference in my pantry. They are very easy to put together and created a bunch of space in the pantry. They are perfect for the kids' snacks such as granola bars and fruit snacks. Instead of having huge boxes in the pantry, I am able to put the snacks in these and know when I am getting low on items since they are clear. I've bought these on a few occasions to organize the pantry of my son and my mother, both for kitchen items and paints. Sturdy and does the job. I got this to organize my growing number of prescription meds and supplements. It's perfect for this, as the bins slide easily for easy access, and comes with dividers to organize my day-night meds and by type. It looked great and quality is good, not wobbly or flimsy at all. Assembly takes a minute. Number 2. OVICAR Adhesive Slide Out Drawer. Tired of items lost in the back of your cabinets? This slide-out drawer glides smoothly, bringing everything within easy reach. It maximizes your storage space, making organization a breeze. This organizer comes with adjustable dividers to customize your storage. You can perfectly arrange dishes, pans, and more. The removable racks offer flexible storage solutions. Made from heavy-duty carbon steel, this drawer is built to last. It can handle heavy items like mixers and pots. The waterproof coating ensures easy cleaning and long-lasting use. The industrial-grade rails provide a smooth, noise-free sliding experience. Equipped with a handle for easy pulling, you no longer need to struggle to reach items in the back of your cabinets. Installation is quick and easy with the adhesive nano film. It provides a large storage capacity without the need for drilling or nails. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This OVICAR organizer provides smooth sliding and divided racks for easy organization. It is made of heavy-duty material and easy to install. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-install solution that maximizes space and provides easy access, you should consider this. What people say. These were so easy to install and they work great. The shelf slides in and out easy. Installation was easy as they have these nice strong adhesive strips. Just peel and stick and you are on your way. No more standing on my head to reach items in the back of the cabinet. Number 1. Laundry room organizer with 3 baskets. Tired of clutter? This mobile shelving unit is designed to fit into narrow spaces, providing extra storage wherever you need it. It's perfect for maximizing space in your home, apartment, or office. With its slim 4.75-inch design, it can slide into almost any tight spot. Use it in closets, kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. The possibilities are endless with this organizer. Equipped with 4 wheels, this unit is easy to move in and out of tight spaces. It's ideal for placing between your washer and dryer, providing convenient access to your supplies. This slide-out shelving unit helps simplify your life by keeping things organized. It's great for storing canned goods, spices, laundry supplies, and even kids' toys. This 3-tier shelving unit is perfect for various locations. It fits between your washer and dryer, or in corners, restrooms, bedrooms, pantries, garages, or under stairs. It's a versatile storage solution. Made of high-grade polypropylene, this slim organizer is durable and reliable. It measures 21.5 inches long, 4.7 inches wide, and 28.3 inches high. It's white and can hold up to 40 pounds. What we like. This laundry room organizer has a slim design that fits into narrow spaces. It is mobile, making it easy to move around, and can be used in various rooms. If you have a small space and need extra storage, this is a great solution. What people say. Works as I planned. Easy to put together. Measurements were as described. Love this, perfect for a small space. Easy to assemble. Saves so much space if you don't have much storage. I needed a simple solution to cover up the ugly gap between the wall and refrigerator. I found this to be an easy practical way to use the space to conveniently store cereal, dry goods, snacks, etc. The wheels help to slide in and out smoothly without any scratches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.